So Bob Marley's star has been reportedly vandalized in Los Angeles, and the reports are that the Los Angeles Police Department LAPD is currently carrying out an investigation to find the person or persons responsible for vandalizing Bob Marley's star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Dents were discovered on the late reggae singer star. A photo of the damage was tweeted out by spokeswoman for the Walk of Fame, Ana Martinez. CBS has reported Martinez as saying the incident was disrespectful. I don't know what they hit it with, and I don't know why people incarnate historic states landmarks. She said, people are disrespectful. Martins disclosed that the star will be repaired by the Hollywood Historic Trust at the cost of nearly $3,000 and says she hopes that the LAPD catches the vandal. Marley was presumably awarded the star in February of 2001. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is a known tourist attraction not only for American citizens but for people all over the United States. So for someone to vandalize a Hollywood Walk of Fame star is very, very disheartening. And they did this to people like Bill Cosby's star when he was allegedly in rape investigation. They did that to Trump's star. They did that to Mariah Carey's star. They've done it to a few people over the years, but all of them were restored, and all of them, they found the person that vandalized the star. And I hope it's no different in Bob Marley's case, because Bob Marley has worked hard for his star. He put in a lot of hard work, not only locally as far as the Caribbean is concerned or Jamaica is concerned, but on an international level. So I hope they fix it promptly, even though I know it's going to cost them a lot of money to fix it. And I hope that they find whoever did this to his star and actually lock them up just as fast as they did with Trump, because Trump's one was vandalized also, and they fixed it very, very quickly, and they also made sure they found exactly who did it and prosecuted them. So I hope it's no different as far as Bob Marley's star is concerned. I have no clue why somebody would even want to vandalize a star. A star is when people work hard for a particular position or in a particular place and put their work in, they get their Hollywood star. And I know the Marley brothers are probably angry and disheartened that their father's star has been vandalized, and I'm sure they want to see the person in jail that have done this. So comment in the comment section, because I want to hear my subscribers point of view on this. Do you think that this is deliberate? Do you think that they're trying to send a message? Do you think that they won't actually find the person that vandalized his star promptly, and even if they do, it won't be in the public's eye, it will be swept underneath the rug? And also tell me what you guys think about how much it costs to fix the star. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here. Deuces.